Not all fonts are available in GHL. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add certain fonts into your GoHighLevel account. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can add new fonts into your GoHighLevel account. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your GHL account. So this is where you can add font. You go to, for example, sites. This is a place where you put all your funnels in. So I put in digital marketing. Okay, so I want to change a certain font. I just click on edit. Okay, so this is an example. I do not like this font. I want to change this to different font. So you just have to click on the text, click on here, click on custom font, click on the default font, click on that. So you can see that sometimes the font is not there. For example, you wanted Gotham, and then you can find so you just go to just Google a place to download the font, alright, and then download the font already, then you go upload the fonts. So click on upload fonts, so you can upload from device. So you can see there's supported format, there's only this few. Just click on upload from device. So I already downloaded the Gotham fonts here. Just click on that, Gotham fonts. So there's many different things, right? I want the normal Gotham ones. Gotham, select all, open, and the font will automatically appear here. Alright, if you want to delete, you can delete here. Okay, so you can see it changed into Gotham. Or you can choose from media library as well. So this is the place actually where you upload all the fonts. It's in the media library. Press back. Okay, then you just close. Then you can find the font family here. Just click on default font, search for Gotham, and then you will appear a few ones. So for example, I want a medium one, then you will change. So that's how easily you can just upload a new font over to GHL. Alright, where do you find the font? Okay, let's just go back. I do not want to save this. Okay, go to media storage, and all the fonts are here. Alternatively, you can straight away upload all the fonts here first. Alright, you can just upload all the fonts here, and then you can go to the funnel there and find. So they know exactly if it's OTF file or certain font file, they will know that it is font, and then it will automatically appear in the font area side. So yeah, so that's how easily you can upload new fonts into your GHL account. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more GHL tips like this. Feel free to try GHL out. It's quite a good software. You can just click on the bottom below and then register for a free trial. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.